Hello everyone, we are students from Espe University and today we are going to talk about factors that make listening difficult. My name is Anthony Rubio and I'm going to talk about clustering and redundancy. Clustering, it is known as a clustering in language because it is responsible for receiving information with similar characteristics. It is that the child will easily be able to maintain that information in his brain through listening activities, and they will also prepare to assimilate more complex information. For example, when we can talk about movies where male students organize according to their preference towards superheroes, animation, animals, etc. But on the part of the women were organized into princess, heroines, drama, and music. Redundancy. It refers to repetition, representation, production, exemplification that the emir used to transmit clear information. For example, when we emphasize repeating a word, we are helping to the student identify more detailed characteristics of what is spoken, what is happening in the class. Also allow to understand the information quickly and easily. So it will not be complex to understand for the students in the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Alison Sanchez. Let's continue with the reduced forms. Spoken language has many reduced forms and sentence fragments. An example is the word mother, and the reduced form is mom. Now, performance variables. In spoken language, there are false starts, pauses, and corrections. So, when a second language learners must be trained to understand the message despite these characteristics. Now, colloquial language. When this is spoken of, it is a reference to idioms, jargon, and shared cultural knowledge. That is why it is important to teach students these elements of the language so that they feel comfortable. Rate of delivery. In a real conversation, we can find many types of speed rhythms while talking. So in this case, the student must be exposed to all these types to understand any person. Let's continue with the stress, rhythm, and intonation. They are important when speaking because intonation patterns are significant for interpretation questions, statements, emphasis, sarcasms, insults, and solicitations. And the last is interaction. In this part, it is very simple because it is negotiation, clarification, and etc. So to learn to listen is also to learn to respond and to continue a change of listening and responding.
My name is Alexander Rueda and I am going to present types of classroom listening performance. They are divided into 6 and they are very useful to help students develop micro skills. Reactive. A learner simply to listen to the surface structure of an utterance. This role of listener is merely a tape recorder. Intensive. Techniques which only purpose to focus on components, phonemes, words, intonation. Example, teacher repeats a word or sentence several times. Responsive. Teachers designed the task to elicit immediate responses. Example, asking questions, seeking clarification, checking comprehension, among others. Selective. Selective listening is to find important information in a field of potentially distracting information. For example, people's names, dates, certain facts or events, main ideas or conclusion. Extensive. It is a technique which asks students to listen lengthy lectures, a conversation, and deriving a comprehensive message or purpose. Students are invoked to make note-taking or discussion. Interactive. This type of performance includes all 5 of previous types. Learners may actively participate in discussions, debates, conversations, role plays, and in a pair work or group.
Hi, my name is Brigitte Herrera. An example of a listening activity could be first, the teacher will have to explain and make can know the names of each of the parts of the body. And this is also done with the correct pronunciation of the same so that children learn to listen and also to pronounce it. Then, with a king of gain the children are told to tell the part of the body that the teacher say or call also be to drain it. Thank you.
Greetings, my name is Sara Arevalo, and according to the first Academic Congress, was chosen the presenter Karina Cherry's PhD, which was presented on the first day of the conference with the theme ETL Strategies for Curriculum Adaptations. The reasons why she was chosen as the best presenter is that when exposing her topic, all its content was found in a very organized and concise way, being easier to understand her topic. Another reason is that her explanation remained clear and was very understandable, aiding also that when exposing the presenter interacted with the public asking questions which allowed a better proximity to impart the theme.